Okay, this is going to be a very brief video on how to fix a clogged grinder on a Breville, whatever, BES870XL or 860XL or any. Well, it'll be some good information even if you don't have this one. But anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to take your hopper off. You'll unlock it and then pull it off. Then you've got a basket in here that you're going to unlock and pull out. Then you've got a nut with a washer and a grinder head. It's backward, it's reverse tight, so you're going to actually turn to tighten it to loosen it. Once you get that off, there's a fan wheel down there, and you'll need a pair of pliers or something to reach down and grab the holder on the side and then pull it out. And then there's also a cloth washer down here that'll be around the base. So, if you look down there, there's no hole. And the hole that there is too small. But if you take your brush that comes with it and you work in this about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock position, you'll find the hole and it'll be clogged. But obviously you're not going to want to do this every time it's clogged. You're using espresso beans or oil and it's going to clog. Well, I mean, I just bought this thing, so I haven't even had my first glass yet and it's already clogged. So, anyway, this is the solution I came up with. This is a coat hanger, and the way I have it bent, about like that. And that's about the height of from bottom to top. But what you're going to do is once you've got it bent, you've got to bend it away from you toward the back of the machine. Get it started up in the hole, and eventually